How's it going, everybody? Am I the only DJen ready and able to have some fun in the blood? I was right. I made many videos about this one, so nobody should be surprised. Even getting some heat from people because they think I'm too negative. Oh, man. There's a lot of retail investors right now. A lot of retail investors. I'm not too negative, dude. I just know what could happen with all the years of experience I have, okay? People are too sensitive nowadays. Like they're snowflakes, honestly. Everybody, welcome. Happy to have you here. Oscar Ramos live. Very happy to be here with you guys. Um, I have some cash in hand and I couldn't be more excited. Welcome to 100 of you. We're going to be here for a while. We'll see how long this dump is going to last. But who's ready? Smash the like button right now. Fast if you're ready for some discount prices, man. Honestly, look at this. I'm gonna explain what I think is going on, which is not that difficult to predict nowadays. This is BTC right now, what you're watching on the screen. Welcome, guys. Not a lot of people are paying attention to be honest with you. Views are down today. It's like people are not, they're just not worried about crypto. And sometimes that is exactly when you see some of the major retracements because people don't even want to look at the charts. They're like, please let the election come. And this is sad but true. This is the way sellers like to start the week, by liquidating other people. They just love to liquidate other people, for sure. Hey, Josh, what's going on, guys? Welcome. Happy to have you. Crypto Sue, Joel, welcome, buddy. Bobby in the house. Errol, Mandy. How's the fam doing? I'm still not gonna buy. My level, I literally made a video for you a couple hours ago telling you, urgent. Watch this video before tomorrow. Sometimes I'm wrong, sometimes I'm right. And the amount of volatility that we're gonna be facing is tremendous. Look, I don't know everything. I'm wrong most of the time, right? But I kind of knew this was gonna come, basically, right? Basically. Matthew, what's going on, brother? Happy to have you. What's up, man? Let's do it. Plunge after the little burn. Maybe, right? Looks like Trump about to go down with it. Oscar, love this space. Appreciate it, Earl. Welcome, guys. I'm actually just getting coming from a nice cookout with the fam, and just decided to chill here. Look at the charts, and I'm like, oh yes. Guys, we lost 70,000. It was super weak. The price of everything was super weak. So I'm like, nah, this is gonna come down. What I want is 67 and a half. I think 67 and a half, we can totally do so. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna bring Shiba Inu right here. This is BTC, which what you have right now, guys. First link down below, common margins right now. Start trading with me. This is the way to do so to make some decent cash if you are into investing and trading and taking the opportunity. So up to 10,000 welcome bonus to everybody here in my community. Happy to have you. Let me go ahead and bring the price of Shiba Inu here. Josh, my man, you are tremendous, brother. Tremendous. Let's go. Let me turn on the volume here a little bit. I'm getting ready. Who do we have here? This is Shiba Inu. OMG. Look at Shiba Inu right there. Yep. There it is. Shiba Inu. Really? Okay, there's the sound. Appreciate it, you guys. Thank you, Josh, as always. MVP. Okay. Let me get my computer right there. You go. So I'm in the middle so you can see much better. And we have the new members coming in. What's going on, you all? Welcome. What I think is going on, guys, now that you can take a look at the two charts right there, what's going on is that right now it's Sunday for Asia. Here in the United States, still Saturday. There's going to be a lot of people who are going to be playing the liquidation game, the trading game, because of the election coming up on Tuesday. This upcoming week is all full risk on, and we'll have bull traps, we'll have bear traps. We can go this low right now and then come back up. Let me take a look at X. I'm going to take a look at X if there's some news that are just coming up right now, because you never know. Let me see if there's some breaking news, because sometimes there's breaking news and I'm like, oh, okay, that's why. If you guys are seeing some breaking news, please tell me. Please tell me. I'll go ahead and take a look right here. And I'm very happy that you're joining me. As always, it's my pleasure, my privilege to have my community here with me, never letting me down. Thank you, Josh, for the kind donation. Appreciate it, man. Liquidity crap. Correct. Well, welcome to the new members. 25x, Margex, yes, man, yes. I have like, let me see. I have $2,500 in Margex right now, ready and able to be deployed, but I think we still can go lower on BTC. Oh man, even XRP, look at this one. Guys, this for shorts, people are making bank on shorts right now. So come and join me, guys. First link down below. Start your account today, no KYC, and deposit some funds and start trading, baby. Like, this is your time. This is your time. And I already have some positions. But look, I don't want to be stupid greedy. I just want to make sure that I get some decent levels. And I'm pretty positive that tomorrow, this is gonna still get more volatile. So I'm holding cash. I'm not really trying to get ahead of myself, because you can get liquidated really, really fast if you don't know what you're doing. Elsa, thank you so much for your kind donation. I appreciate it, Elsa. Welcome. How you all doing? Yeah, right now it's we have a really huge bearish trend for everything, for all crypto. So let me continue taking a look. There's no really major breaking news that I can tell you guys from what I see. Nothing hugely major that it's collapsing. Is there like an attack, war? Maybe, maybe not. If it is, then we'll get to know. We'll get to know. Please, last crash, next pop. Matthew, 100%, man. 100%. Let me ask you guys something. Are we going lower? No. Bitcoin price by end of year. That's the one. One up in the house. What's going on, brother? Blessing for me. Hopefully it's the final dump. I know. I think it's the final dump. It has to be the final dump. It has to be, man. But you never know. Look at, okay, it's this hand. Look at Shiba Inu right there. Look at Shiba Inu right there. Really wants to give us. Let me go to the 15 minutes right now. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. This is just glorious for everybody who wanted to buy, for sure. Bitcoin price by the end of the year. Are we going to be in the 60s? We're going to be in the 70s. We're going to be in the 80s, 90s, and above. What do you guys think? What do you reckon? Because I don't think we're going to be in the 50s. I think it's very weird to be in the 50s. But I think 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. Where do you think we're going to be looking at by the end of the year 2024? Giovanni in the house. What's going on, brother? Happy to see you, man. Emilio, welcome, buddy. Spot ETFs are going to go wild. Yeah. Look at the price of Shiba Inu. Look at the price of Shiba Inu. Somebody's selling. Let me see which one is the one that is collapsing the most. Dogecoin. I knew it. Oh, Dogecoin. You enjoyed the pump. You enjoyed the 20 billion market cap. There it is. You enjoy the 20 billion market cap, right? Look at this, guys. Right now, I'm not buying because, guys, what I'm buying is for trading. Okay, I already have my funds for long term. I'm always adding, long term, long term. But what I'm buying right now, what I'm showing you, what I'm speaking to you is on Margex because I want to be trading. But I think we might go to 67 and lower, like low 67, mid 67. Because what I told you in my previous video, what was exactly that. Literally, if you watch my previous video, my urgent previous video, you knew this was going to happen. I was right. I told you, basically. Where can we expect the bounce? 67, 67 and a half, 67. I think we are still going to go a little bit more lower, more down. Yeah. You think you'll buy XRP later because it goes down past 48.35. If it goes down to 50s, I will be food not to buy. I don't think we're going to go lower than the 50s, bro. I don't think so. Lower than the 50s is just panic mode for a lot of whales. But it's still going to be a lot of people buying crazy. I mean, I have to sell my car and buy Bitcoin at under $50,000. I'll tell you that. That's how much I'll tell you. Like, I mean, we cannot let Bitcoin under 50,000 get unnoticed, just the way that it is. That's the way I see it, right? It's crazy how I had like a $5,000 profit on my Robinhood where I bought my I think let me see. No way. Let me see. Total return. Wow, bro. This green one was like $5,000 and now it's less than 1,000, just like this. Obviously, this is for long-term purposes. I'm not planning to sell this money anytime soon, right? But just to kind of comes to show you how we pumped to 73 and that was just a fake out, but it was a somewhat long fake out, which is good, right? We love it. Stop lying to the people. Everybody just need to learn the cycles. They hold besides is the final. Oh, baby. Welcome to the footers too. I'm not in the business of lying to anybody, so happy to have you. Kevin in the house. Shiba Inu holders. Love it. Are here tonight right now. You think we're going lower than 64,000? Whoa. If it is, then we'll watch it, I think, for today, tomorrow for sure. At this point, I have no idea where it's going. One of the things that I worry is I just watch the charts every day. There's billionaires and millionaires that don't care about the charts or don't care what's going on right now, and they can live a very happy life. But we just come every day, and I thank you guys for being here with me every day because it's a business, it's a community, it's the grind, right? You come here every day because you want to know the latest of the latest of the latest, because there's people that watch crypto every week and they get all this number of news that collected and accumulated per week. That's a good way of seeing crypto too, because you're going to find so many great news, right? If you look at the price Bitcoin was a week ago, let's go there. Today is November 2nd, right? So exactly 1 week ago, we were in Sunday the 27th or Saturday the 27th, the 26th. So the price 1 week ago was basically 67. So we're almost going to be back to the same price we had a week ago, guys. Right here. This, my friends, right here, you're seeing at the 4 hours with my PPF, past, present, future indicator. Right here. Sell indicator right here, immediately. If you have the indicator I created, past, present, future, PPF indicator, it's helping you right there with your short, because he already told you to sell, and look at all this profit of 5% that you can gain. It helps a lot. It saves you from some positions. It helps you to start new positions. Isn't that cool? Check it out, everybody. We're basically back at the level we had a week ago. So is this just a mega fake out right here? What is that? What in the world is that? That is the price of Bitcoin. Went to 73 and it's all back to where it was before. It's part of the process. Just part of the process. That's what it is. Discounted prices. I like it. For sure. For sure. If you had to gamble, would you put it on Shiba or XRP? I will put it on... I'll put it right... I mean... That's a tricky question because the two of them will make you money. The two of them will make you decent money, honestly. But I think XRP is the safest one. XRP for long term. There's a lot of people that hate it, that hate the two of them. So not much you can do. A lot of people hate the two of them because it's just not moving. Or if it's moving on the opposite direction that people want it. It's what it is. Yes, Brian, PPF works on mobile devices as long as you get the membership, get the access, you get all the info you need. Second link down below in my description. Everything is down in the video, and you will be able to add it to your trading view. And on your trading view on your account, you will be able to use it wherever you want. And I like it because I'm using the 4 hours. So what I can notice is with my PPF pane, this is the sell zone. This is the rejection zone. This is the buy zone. So Bitcoin, if we go to 64,000, one of you was saying that 64,000, that is the buy zone for Bitcoin. That's it. Thank you, Josh. Yes. Thank you to my moderators helping me with the chat. Appreciate you guys as always. My moderators are the MVPs. They always come here. I don't deserve you guys, but you still come. So appreciate that a lot. Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, we're seeing at different price levels right now. Let me go ahead and move this one here. I haven't started any positions right now, but I will start. I really want to. I have some funds there. We have let me go ahead and refresh this one. We have a 2.56% decrease in the crypto prices. What is dumping the most? OMG, bread. Out of everything, bread is what's collapsing right now with 10%. Oh boy. I don't like that. I gotta tell you, I don't like that. I have bread. I don't like that. Some people are really panicking on this one. Isn't it crazy how altcoins still continue to get demolished? They continue to get demolished right now, for sure. XRP seems to be a slow mover. Shiba Inu much faster. I think at this point we definitely need Bitcoin dominance to go down, really, to see this altcoin. So as long as Bitcoin dominance remains around 60 or 50 plus, right now it's 59. So what's going on is that people are moving their money back to Bitcoin, and no other different token is gaining that dominance. Bitcoin is what's taking the lead. So nothing else is just gonna pop because people are scared. They just don't want to lose their money. They're holding stables. They're holding stables. Like, take a look at the volume right here. Look at this. Look at this. USDT is almost twice as Bitcoin. People are holding stables like crazy right now. Like crazy. Look at USDC. So look. 1, 2, there's 3 top stables. And Tether is $40 billion. $40 billion is what Shiba Inu had at its all-time high in 2021 when we broke the all-time high, when we broke that price. So this volume that you see right here of almost $40 billion for USDT, that was Shiba Inu when it reached roughly 40 plus billion market cap. So what is the volume USDT is going to have when we get back to those levels? You're talking about $100 billion. It's going to be a lot of money in the market because people are going to be selling, swapping, longing, you know, the whole craziness. All craziness. What I'm looking is for BTC to come to this level right here. I think we can do so. We can do so right here. There's a chance. There's a chance. Like, we have this price channel that I showed you earlier today. I'm showing you right now more info, right? Of course. Happy to have 300 people plus watching. What's going on, guys? Don't forget to smash the like button. We're here always bring you the latest content. It happens to be a nice correction, flash crash. We'll take it. Today happens, right? In the weekend. Right now, if you make a video, a crypto video, nobody watches because people are just not in the mood. People are not in the mood. People are tense. It's just not the same feeling, right? I mean, there's no 73,000 anymore, and people get mad at everything. But they gotta grow up. They gotta grow up, guys. If you're watching my videos, if you're watching this channel, we are prepared. We've been DCAing, and the upcoming bull market will suffice. Will suffice everything. You should be fine. You should be fine, guys. Just a talking head right here is telling you that I'm a nobody, right? But I've seen the community in Singapore, in Toronto, in Austin, and in the other different conferences, right? The community is still building. There's nothing to really be worried about. Bitcoin will do well, but just let it come down, and I'll continue buying that dip for as long as I can. My queen, what's going on, brother? Happy to see you, queen. Incognito, Jose, what's going on, man? Happy to see you. I always remember those names, guys. You come often, I remember you. I honestly do. Too much uncertainty, 100%. That's what I've been saying. Like, I cannot tell you what's going to happen. I'm just going to give my honest assumptions, right? But Trump loses, crash. Kamala wins, crash. Trump wins, crash. Kamala loses, crash. I mean, one thing I know is that, I mean, we know what's going to happen if he wins. SEC Gary Gensler, goodbye. I think that's going to be extremely bullish, and we might pump, right? But we just don't know. There's so much on at stake, right? And I know, I mean, it's why do we get political right now? Well, it's just because the reason why the prices are acting up is because of what's going to happen in less than 100 hours. That's what it is. That's what it is. Millionaires selling till the market drops and buying at all-time low. It's millionaires manipulating the market. 100%, Giovanni. I'm going to go ahead and pin that coming right now. Pin message. Let's go. Welcome. We still have, guys, the poll right now going on, so check it out. I'm going to go ahead and give you the first link right here, pin to Margex, guys. Go ahead and create your account. Join me. I don't want to be the only one by myself opening new positions because XRP, it's really at a level that, baby. Sui. Ooh, I'm so happy, guys. I sold my Sui position and I made some money. Oh, yes. I'm so happy I did. I made some money with my Sui position. That's the way I do it. You come in, you get out, and you repeat, right? That's the way it is. So let me tell you how much I did with Sui. Come on. Oh, last 30 days. Give me 1 second. Where's my Sui? It should be here. Caspa. Oh, here it is. Here. So it was a 164% with Sui. It was a 10x. I opened at 171. I closed at 2 what price is right now? It's 181. So I open it at 170. I open it right here. Right here. So guess what I'm going to do right now? I'm going to open another sweep position once we go to that level if we do so. Beautiful way of trading, right? I also closed another one, Jasmy, Ethereum, XRPs, right? So I've been having some good ones that I'm like, okay, let's go. Why not? Just no, I mean, just trying to make the dough. That's what it is. Just trying to make the cash in hand. Ramos, price is unpredictable. I see you are Polish with XRP and ideas for the highest price for XRP. Well, happy to have you here. XRP is gonna break all the expectations, but we just need a better market environment. As of right now, if you are one of those who can buy XRP under $1, like me, like everybody here watching, then you are so privileged. You have to understand, guys, that XRP, same as Bitcoin, same as BNB and other ones, they're gonna be useful for the entire ecosystem, for the entire industry. So don't be short-sighted. Don't be short-sighted. I mean, these technologies are barely starting. So have an open mind. I know that we're not wasting our time here. Something I repeat a lot: we're not wasting our time, and that's why I want to buy when people are selling. Period. So here it is. We have about what is it, 15, about an hour plus. Hopefully we had 1% or so for BTC correction. Not bad. 1%. Love it. Bitcoin November 2nd, 64.30. I do love how positive you are. Just happy to have you. Let's go. What is going on, Rubio? Very good to have you here. Welcome. That is normal for the last 30 minutes right now. We're building. It's about to end in about 5 more minutes, but we stopped right here. It doesn't mean that we're going to stop going down. So I'm just looking and for more opportunities. Why not? I'll take it. I'll take it. But right now, I do not see any breaking news that it will give us a reason why we are coming down. I don't see any. The only thing, I mean, I still see some battleground polls like this one posted today at 7:05 p.m. saying that Trump is ahead in all the battleground polls, which is bullish for crypto. As we know, it's bullish for crypto. So I'm not sure why it's going down, but like one of you said, right? I mean, they're just liquidating each other. It is the way that it is, and welcome to crypto. That's what it is. How exciting, right? How exciting. If you're looking for long-term investing, I would recommend starting a diversifying retirement account. Crypto is for trading. The sooner you learn that, the better. Zach, indeed. Yeah, that's why I tell you guys, if you are still not in MarchX, give it a try. This is where I do my plays. This is where I've been liquidated. I sell. I mean, I'm not perfect. I want to make sure that is 100% clear, but I'm also not going all in with a position and I lose all my money. I think you guys can also understand that. So it is about minimizing your risk, understanding how to play with leverage, and that's it. That's all it is. The more money you're making on each and every trade, the better, and it's fun. It's really fun. Dude, just put 20K into crypto like 4 hours ago. Why? Hey, Oscar, the cattle stock market are also dumping off their worthless stocks and bonds. This is what the old system is being pushed out with a new quantum system activated. Okay. People are moving things to cryptos are moving up. That's why XRP crypto going down. Interesting. That's cool. I think days of reckoning on crypto hold the line 6 months. I will tell you guys, this is to be expected. I think we're still going to go a little lower. I still see, 65,000, 66,000. That's my sweet spot. I'm not going to make a mistake and kind of like get ahead of myself. We still have tomorrow and Monday. We still have 2 full days. 2 full days where you're going to see all kinds of news. And what usually happens is people crash the market. They love that. They love to crash the market. And I just don't want to get ahead of myself. Let's see. Aptos, Sui, Lina, Cry, PEPE. Ooh, PEPE is also another one that is typical PEPE. Ooh, PEPE went down pretty nice too. Crazy. No spamming, my friend. No spamming. I don't want to. Okay. No spamming, brother. I don't want to have to mute you, my friend. All right. I warn you, brother. Why is the price going down? Well, welcome to crypto. Sometimes we have no clue why, but it does. So the ones who are ready buy the dip, right? The ones who are ready buy the dip, period. But yeah, indeed, everything is, getting a nice slap right now. Going back to Shiba Inu right now, you see that it kind of means like people are not letting the price go much lower, but still it's too early for me to buy in. Hey, Oscar, if you had $500 million in MOG, do you think it will be a good idea to sell? I don't have MOG, so I'm not sure about that one. Smith, good evening, man. Happy to have you. Welcome. Justice for Peanut. Yeah, I saw that story, the squirrel. I don't know about much about that one. It's just I know that a squirrel was killed. That's all I know. Just part of the process. Just gotta get rid of the paper hands. I know, right? But those paper hands are people that we know too. People that we know. But what I'll tell you is that like I have a lot of money that's down, but I'm not selling that just because. No. I have to be strong, and I mean I know that when things are getting a little bit bloodier to hold, to withstand. We had a greed. We had now and yesterday extreme greed, guys. This week, like I said, if you go to the 4 hours, you're gonna see this. Look at that. Let me go ahead and hide my PPF just for a second. Look at that. Like I already have my levels, and what I said was we passed 73.5. Are we going to continue? But this kind of means, you know what? The same people who bought just really want to mess with with millions of human beings. You can take a look at that one. We had a 10% pump for the price of BTC, which is decent. It really helps a lot of people. People were so crazy about it. Liquidations, obviously, in the millions of dollars. That's something that we learned from Watchguru too, in the millions. Go ahead and open up the banter bubbles. I'm gonna go ahead and catch this one. I always like to see it. Let's go to today, and instead of memes, I'll go to the top 100. Oh boy. I always like to show you this one because it's another way of seeing it, guys. So what you see right now on the screen is exactly that. The top 100, it's all red. So don't worry if your crypto's down. For the most part, people decided to cash out right now. Just look at that. Yep. My level is 67. Let me go ahead and actually play around with the Fibonacci retracement. I haven't played around with the Fibonacci retracement for a while, so I think this might be a good time. Where am I going to start it? I can start it at 59. This was October. Yeah, I think this one will be decent because I have some more support right here, so I think we can start right here. Okay. I'm gonna delete this one, and I'm gonna delete this one. And let's go ahead and open up Fibonacci right about here. Let's go here. There it is. So my Fibonacci levels, everybody, what are we looking at? Well, my PPF helps, like if you had a Fibonacci retracement, but this is a manual way of doing so too. As you can tell, the pump. Now the rejection, usually this percentage is never held. It's too early. It comes down, and now we're at the 38 retracement. What I know usually happens is that we are steady in this 61. 61 retracement is usually where a lot of times Bitcoin likes to come to the 61 to, which, about 10%. I'm sure that you heard of the 20% Bitcoin drop, right? The 20% Bitcoin drop is a crash level for Bitcoin, but that is the last one for Bitcoin, right? So what happened? Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. What's going on? Am I back? Oh, what? Oh no. This computer. Guys, am I back? Oh, I'm sorry. Wait. Guys. We hear everything. You hear me? Can you see? Okay. Can you see the screen? I'm so sorry, guys. I don't know. My computer is sucking right now. Okay. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. There was like a snap on Google Chrome. My apologies. My heavy apologies on that. Thank you, guys. Okay, so that's Google. That's Google telling me, come on, don't speak the truth. Just kidding. So what I was saying is, let me dismiss this crazy stuff. What I was saying is that in the Fibonacci retracement, usually what I'm expecting is somewhere around the 66. That's what I was telling you, this level. I'm gonna close the bubbles. I think that was the bubbles. I have a really good computer. I mean, it shouldn't happen, but you never know. I'm leaving my Shiba Inu alone. I'm being a bull. Whatever happens, not touching it. Richard, happy to have you, Richard. Global USFC and liquidity to raise the value of the assets. The moment Bitcoin bull market is somewhat and really hasn't started completely yet. Got it. Casablanca, yes, I'm using Margex, and I'm in Texas, brother. Sign up with my link. It's also pinned in the top of the chat. Deposit funds and have fun. Like I remind people, this is leverage. This is not spot trading, guys, right? So as always, exercise caution, because it's like Vegas. You make money, you keep want to make money, but sometimes you lose money, and then you want to keep making money so you don't lose money. So, pace yourself, but it is the fastest way to make money with the crypto projects that you are aware. Like, I use it a lot because I know how XRP, Shiba Inu, PEPE, Cronos, and other ones behave as price wise, and that's why I use it to make those funds. Love it. Super cool. It is interesting how results go up and everything starts selling off. Cam, I didn't want to say it, but you're right. You are right. You're the first one. You're the first person that is bringing this up. But I've been noticing that. Yep. You're the first person to bring it up. I don't want to say it. But yes. It's true. That's what I'm saying. If you see Bitcoin in the 40s, or is it then can you be scared right now? It's nothing more than what we've seen. It's true. It's true. Exactly right. Exactly right, buddy. Nothing new that we haven't seen. So really not much of a change when it comes to the price of crypto. Something that we know, guys, is going to happen. So as always, smash the like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Welcome aboard, fam. Chilling and having fun with, the projects that we can, because things are obviously going to drop. Now, let's go ahead and go to the 5 minutes. That was good macro. Now, let's see if we can catch another drop. Let's see if we can catch another drop. Let's go ahead and activate my PPF. So you guys had the Margex link there. Now I'm going to add my PPF link, which is going to help a lot of people if you're into TA. 30 days risk-free. Take a look at it. See it as a trial, right? If you don't like it, cancel. Money back guarantee. You never lost anything. But I know some people are using it, like me, for trading purposes, and I think it's fun. Cryptocurrencies, it's more about trading, right? You can trade it as a meme coin. You buy, then you sell, and then you never go back to that project, because meme coins are like that sometimes, especially on Solana. Or if you want to buy Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Jasmy, Cronos, Shiba Inu, those are top crypto projects that you keep buying and selling, keep buying and selling, keep buying and selling, because you know that they will continue moving, right? So it's exciting. So link is up. Thank you, Josh. Love it, love it, love it. End of predictions went only up. Crypto Danny, that's a great one. 2025. For sure, 2025. We got to be waiting a little bit longer so 2025 arrives, and then we're going to be like, you know what? Let's go, man. Let's go. I'll be so excited to finally hear that, because it's time, right? But it's coming, so I'm not really concerned too much, guys. It's about patience and understanding that any type of drop in price, it's super welcome, and I just don't have any rush to get to 100,000 Bitcoin yet. Ask yourself, honestly, ask yourself, do you have one Bitcoin, or do you have enough Bitcoin, or do you have enough crypto for those who don't buy Bitcoin? Well, if you don't, then you might want to be able to accumulate before things start getting much better. It is what it is. I'm kind of new to crypto stuff, and I don't want to learn how to trade like you guys do. I'm kind of new, so need some coaching. Obviously, absolutely, buddy. Look, Richard, I don't speak too much in it because I kind of let this be more organic. But I tell you to take a look at the links down below, because one of those is my Patreon, and if you click on that link, you will see that inside my Patreon there's my Discord access, and inside my Discord, only the people that alpha people and really awesome people are inside, and I tell you all my trades, all my positions. So that's one that if you want me to give you some tips and see what I'm buying, more than welcome to join us. More than welcome to join us, right? Because I never really paid for any private coaching on trading. What I did was watch everything on YouTube and trial and error. I'm going to be very honest with you, because that's the way it's supposed to be. Either you watch 3 to 5, 10 hours of trading on YouTube, then you go to a 1, 2x, 3x leverage level, so you start practicing and then you get it. I mean, it really depends. It really depends. So I leave it up to you, fam. The easy way, ask me anything way, or do it on your own. You're more than welcome, my friends, right? But yeah, my Patreon link is down below. More than welcome to join and get those questions answered because it's fun. It's we're about to start the bull market, and I'm just ready with a strong community with strong set of moderators inside my Discord as well. So questions you have, we got you covered. It's a community. It's a community that people pay to be. So I take it very seriously. It's not just like everybody come in and let's like get crazy or no. This is like a professional type of environment that it's adult level, right? I mean, I don't accept any anything that's not appropriate per se. Huddle, Jesus, yes, don't spam my friend, please. But yes, yeah. So if that's something that's ringing with you, then give it a try. Cam, trial and error is the best way to learn. 100%, man. That's what I've been doing. Bro. Trial and error, because you don't really get to be the best one at anything if you don't fail. The faster you fail, the fastest you go to success. That's the way I see it. The only problem is that in crypto, there's a lot of kids and trolls and bad people that as soon as they lose $1, they blame everybody but themselves. That's it. People just cannot find some type of responsibility in them. It's just the way that it is. If you learn not to do that, then you are already a pro. Thank you, Josh, my man. Josh is an MVP for sure. Josh, I think I don't have you on the Discord, right? Do I? I think so. I had you. I think so. Send me a DM on X, please. Send me a DM on X. I think because I clean up a little bit the Discord. I clean up. So send me a DM, please. I'll add you back. I've learned so much by losing so much, if that makes sense. I've lost so many thousands. YouTube University, audiobooks, practice, 100%. Yeah, I mean, everything is on YouTube. 100%. I mean, everything, you don't need to pay anything. You don't need to pay anything that I'm telling you. You don't need to do anything that I'm telling you. Everything is free on YouTube, actually. On the internet, everything is free. So, but a lot of people want, there's all kinds of opportunities, which is beautiful. Don't you love it? I lied, 3,200. No matter what, it will prosper a retirement plan, not day trading. I do it like that because it's more exclusive, global. I love it. Less people, and only the people who really want to be there, I give them the best. You make your own and you let everybody to join yours and do it. I'll keep it my way, you keep it your way. I spent 6 hours on my first trade on Coinbase today. Sometimes it's nice having some. Exactly, right? I mean, exactly. 100%. Right now, guys, we continue to watch and take a look at the levels. Very happy to have you here with me. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel completely for free. And I'm still looking, and keeping an eye on the markets, on the news. But it's Saturday night here in the US. Not much is going on in the news. There's a lot of rallies from Trump, from Kamala Harris, from everything. Election polls, analytics, stuff like that. But as expected, I mean, we have one of the biggest elections. We have one of the most complicated elections right now. So there's obviously going to be tons of uncertainty, My intuition is telling me that Kamala will win. I'm planning on holding the 876 Shiba Inu coins. What's your estimate on how long to hit $1 or $2? Oof. I heavily recommend you just browse on YouTube, right? Shiba Inu price predictions. You will have some good people giving you some tips, because Shiba Inu price will stay in the 4 zeros for a while. Yep. 4 zeros for Shiba Inu. I'm expecting crushing that 1-0 when we have at least 2 weeks of mega hype and euphoria. So we need that euphoria. We need that FOMO back, which still is not here. And it's not gonna be here until Bitcoin does what it's supposed to do. So I'm not rushing it. It is what it is. I haven't bought contracts, Dylan. I kind of wanted, but I'm like, no, I'm just using the money for Bitcoin. On my Robinhood account, I just buy Bitcoin and Ethereum for long term every single day. Every single day, it comes from my bank, and I don't look at it. It just goes. And what a great choice I made, because it's all been profit, basically, because I've been doing it since July. So in July, we were at 67, then it went down to 50 something. So all those days under 60,000. So just accumulating. Like, that's the way investing works. That's the only way investing works, right? So it really helps. And I love it. But it really helps, guys, and couldn't be more excited. For sure. I'm gonna go ahead and give you 2, guys. If you're on X, come and join me. On X. We got 61.2 followers. So I actually don't have any goal for X. As people want to follow me, great. If people don't want to follow me, that's also good. My X account is just for my communities, because a lot of people use X in the crypto space. That's why. Hey, bro, just bought XRP looking at Shiba Inu. Thanks for the updates. Hey, my pleasure, J New. I'm very happy that I'm seeing new people, because I already know my community who watches me, but there's new people. There's new people. I love it. Thank you guys for being here, for finding us. There's so many channels on YouTube that you can stomp on, and well, we welcome every single person. So that's awesome. That's really, really good. Just gonna tell you, if billionaires, just think about this for a second. If billionaires are bullish on Bitcoin, right? If billionaires are betting tons of money on ETF instruments and trust and fighting the SEC, then why shouldn't we at least get ahead, adding some to our portfolio? Wouldn't that be ignoring a huge alert, right? Crypto is mainstream, but not for the right reasons. Adoption is not mainstream. Awareness is it's not, I think, somewhat mainstream. You ask people, do you own crypto? Most will tell you no, but they know what Bitcoin is. But mass adoption and usage utility is still not here, because we have so much work to do. Banks. I made a XRP video today telling you about Chairman Brown. He's the chair, he's the chair of the banking committee. And this guy is an anti-crypto person, same as Elizabeth Warren and Gary Gensler, guys. If we want to make a big change, it starts from the top. That's why there's this Moreno guy, Republican candidate, to take his seat, to take his place at the Senate. That's why there's super PACs like Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong. He's giving millions millions to those super PACs. Brian Armstrong, and then Chris Larson, co-founder of Ripple, he's giving, but to the other side, to Kamala's side. A lot of people got mad at that, right? So it's a battle that we just talk about, because at that level, so much money, so many millions. Who can be patient enough to wait another 4 years for the next bull market? Not many people. Not many people. But I can wait. But by then, we will already be in glory, God willing. Yeah, Oscar, do you think it's time to buy PEPE? For investing purposes, yes. PEPE is just buy and just let it alone, leave it alone. Yeah, like Shiba Inu, buy it and leave it alone. That's what I'll do. Because, I mean, it's part of the process when it comes to meme coins, for sure. It was nice to see you people going back to the Bitcoin live stream. Awesome. Thank you, AB. Have a good one. Why is he dumping? Well, because it's time. Dumping sometimes helps to get all those paper hands. It just comes at a good time, for sure. It is what it is. Halloween will always be scary for Bitcoin because it's the anniversary of the Bitcoin white paper. Indeed, man. Sip, what's going on, Sip? Nice to see you guys. Welcome, welcome. Any word on Solana VM? No, that I remember. I believe I made a review on those. Yes. What do you think on the current situation? Will it crash more or will it go upwards? I mean, if you're looking at a long-term view, it will go up eventually, right? But I'm thinking 67 and a half, 66 as the last dump. Then I'm going to go all in with all the cash I have in my hand. Have to go all in with all the couple thousands that I have. Because I already have long-term positions, right? So I'm just going to be like, go for it. But that all in, I'm talking March X, right? Because I do have some ongoing investing buys that I make. And I just keep adding more XRP, keep adding more Cronos, keep adding more, whatever token I want. But right now I'm focusing on XRP. I'm getting closer. For sure. What is your top crypto investment that you think is strong conviction besides Bitcoin, Ethereum? What do you think is the next best crypto investment will be to build complete wealth for the long term and short term? We're really talking about a layer one that can replace Ethereum at that level. You're looking at, Solana. People say Sui is the next Solana. You're talking about Cardano, Avalanche. BNB, it's just that there's nobody that comes close. Crypto.com at that, still not at that level market cap. Crypto.com as a company is amazing, but that's a token. Oh, man. XRP is it's just so utility dependent. So XRP for sure. Meme coins, depends so much on the community. If the community is loyal, if it's not loyal, if it starts getting, divided, so that's a threat to the community. Like if you don't have an Elon Musk per se for Dogecoin, right? If you don't have an Elon Musk for Shiba Inu, for PEPE, then it might get obsolete. But I still believe we can make money with Shiba Inu in this bull market. I can totally see it. Oscar, there's a person trying to get into the Patreon and was having trouble with it. Oh, really? My apologies. I'm just trying to. I'm in the zone. If you're trying to get into Patreon, my friends, not a problem. Click the link down below. Patreon will take you there. And just select from Patreon access or Discord access or the supporter access. There's just three. Two of them are closed, which is my baller and my investor, because those ones are already expired, but you can choose from the other ones. Thank you so much for considering. Appreciate it. Thank you, Josh, for keeping me in the know. Love your channel, Oscar. I mean, for the long run. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it. Those are the people that we do this for. I mean, I do it for everybody, but it's just like I'm the one who has to endure all those kids and trolls. It's just the way that it is, right? Just the way that it is. There's a lot of resentment, and they see a face, Hispanic guy, accent, and punchable face. That's what they call me, punchable face. I mean, they call me worse things, right? But and they're like, this guy, let's drop lead on him. But I'm okay, fam. We'll continue. I mean, we're used to. At this point, nothing surprises me. Nothing surprises me. Ethereum will never solve the fee problems. Has no future. Well, that's what we have the layer 2's incognito, right? Polygon, Arbitrum. That's one of the main reasons of those layer 2 solutions. For sure. And I tell you, because I went to Singapore and they talked about that. Like, I heard Vitalik Buterin live in person. I heard him. And it was fun. Punched him back. Oh, bro. Crazy stuff. What do you think? Forget about what others think. I'm not sure about that. Love your channel, Oscar. I mean, for long, great. Appreciate it. According to one article I read 4 hours ago, they say that on the daily chart, after hitting resistance of 73, Bitcoin has exhibited noticeable decline. Yeah, Gojo. That's kind of like what I'm phrasing here, right? There's a high probability of 67, 66 or so, like in that mid 60. And I think what we're seeing right now on the screen confirms that. If that's the case, then that's the level to get in. I think it's too early right now to getting on this first drop, because if you go from the 5 minutes to the 1 hour, it's just one candle. It's just one candle. I don't trust this. Nope. I've been here before. Yeah. It's just one candle. We need a few more hours for me to confirm this, because right now, the next hour can be just red and down we go. So this is not enough confirmation for me if I'm trading the 1 hour. Let me be clear. It depends which candle you watch. Are you watching the 15 minutes? Then it's a little different, right? For trading purposes, it just depends what candle you watch. Forget them, Oscar. If they don't like you, they don't have any subscribers. Thick skin. Oh no, yes, my friends. But what I'm saying is I'm just opening up to you so you know, like, what the kind of behind the scenes is. That's it. If I didn't have that resilience, I wouldn't be in this position, because, like I said, like all content creators, we get it. Everybody, nobody is exempt, especially in the crypto space, especially when you're messing with money, with financial predictions that nobody knows what's going to happen. So it's just, it's fun, it's part of the game. Part of the game. We love it for sure. It's amazing. What do you think about Dogecoin? I've heard great things from Vitalik. I don't have much Dogecoin, but if the kings, if the founders like Dogecoin, it might be because they hold some big Dogecoin. That's the way. That's the way. I mean, since 2021, we haven't seen a major bull market for altcoins. It's been 2022, 3, 4. It's been 3 years now since no altcoin liquidity. 3 years. If we go to 2025, at this time of the year, that will be 4 years. Because the altcoin rally started in 2021. So we're officially 3 years in, and Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and many others, they haven't been back. So imagine holding something for 3 years, and instead of treating that something as a Roth IRA or 401k, you're treating it as a daily stock short-term position. Obviously, people who don't have it, they will go insane and nuts, and they will just lose it. But there's a superpower called just relax and enjoy the journey, which a few have. But if you talk that consistently, it gets too repetitive and people just see it the other way. But it is what it is. We're getting closer, guys. We're getting closer to that insanity. I'll tell you that. And I love it. One up. Yeah, the HBO. That was cool. Goat is totally oversold, looking like the bottom. Oh, the goat, the Solana one, right? Of course. Look at this, guys. Not bad, not bad. BTC and Shiba Inu recovering from that dump at 9:30 a.m. Sorry, p.m. So it's been about 1 hour, but I don't trust it yet. Wake up tomorrow and see how the markets are, but not bad at all. We're still going to have some more volatility, so I'm sure that you guys know that very, very well. Bitcoin price by the end of the year with 674 votes. We're about to close it in 3, in 2, in 1. Closing now. Almost 700 votes. And my community here says that we're going to end at 90s or above. Not surprised. My community is very bullish and I love it. That's really, really good. Oscar, here in Brazil, people are saying that the bull run will be over in March 2025. Other channels from the United States say that it will end on October 2025. What do you think? That's a great question. And if this is a super cycle, which is something that we've been discussing for months now, it could even go to mid 2025, August 2025. I think October 2025, that will be a little bit too late. I think that's too much. That's my own perspective. March 2025 is a must. A must. A must. We should see Bitcoin and other different cryptos do something big by March 2025. 100%. Yes. So for October, that might be a long time. Thank you, Josh, for that, for the comments and everything. I'm so down. I'm happy. I know it will get better. Moon, you're right, bro. You're down. I'm down a lot. I'm grateful for good health and breathing. There you go. The pull is very close. Uncertainty is evident. Indeed. What happens at the end of the bull market? Great question. We peak, price discovery, couple triple tops, double tops, and then we start finally seeing the daily, hourly, and 4-hourly big sell-offs. And that's when you know it's going over. At that point, everybody is talking about crypto and Bitcoin, and they're getting wrecked. So by now you should be already out. Subscribe to the channel and I'll take you to that journey together with me, guys. It's going to be fun and exciting. That's why I'm telling you. Take a look at the links down below. Join my private communities. Some of them are for free on Telegram. You don't have to pay absolutely anything on Cronos, on Shiba Inu. Telegram groups. Got great people there. Join and enjoy. And Patreon is down there too. March X. Sign up, guys, with my link. Look at this. Some people are already getting in and they're making some plays. I love it, guys. So welcome, welcome, welcome. Up to 10,000 welcome bonus. Use the promo code Ramos. And that's the phrase that you need to use too once you're in to claim some bonuses of the deposit. And there you have it, guys. That was a little bit more than an hour. So I kind of wanted to chill with you guys for a while, taking a look at this price and taking a look at this, nice sell-off. As always, bringing you the latest updates. Everybody, Josh, please go ahead and DM me, Josh. I think I need to, I'll go ahead and add you back to the Discord. Thank you guys so much for your kind donations, for your memberships, for the new people who are coming in. There's big things ahead, and I don't wanna miss it. So I'll see you in the next one tomorrow, Sunday Night Live. That's something that we do all Sundays around 7 p.m. Central Time. So get ready, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching, guys. You've been awesome. Let's go. Let's be bullish. I'm so ready for more deals that like the ones we saw right now. Catch you in the next time, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Peace. Let's go.